my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Tomorrow is Chinese New Year, and to highlight this event, I thought it would be a great idea to showcase this tasty recipe, my zucchini pancakes. Loaded with deliciousness, these little guys can be enjoyed for brunch as well as a light lunch or an appetizer. It can be paired with either sour cream or tzatziki. So let's get cooking. Here are a couple zucchinis which come to about 1 pound, and after washing them, we'll cut off only the bottom end and keep the top or stem as a handle while grating the veggies. So, using the large holes of a box grater, we'll grate them into a colander sitting over a bowl. See, by keeping the top, you protect your nails and hands from getting damaged. Now, what I like to do is to place a little bowl at the bottom of my bowl so the colander is elevated, giving more space between them. You can use a smaller bowl, but I like this one because the top is flat. The reason why I'm doing this is there will be a lot of water coming from the zucchinis and I don't want it to touch the bottom. The next step is to sprinkle on some sea salt. I use a fair amount of it, and we'll mix it in. You'll see how fast the moisture extracts from the veggies. It's crazy. We'll let it sit there for a few hours. I left mine for 5 hours, but a couple is sufficient. Later on, this is what we collected at the bottom. But there's more. You'll see. We'll place a large piece of cheesecloth or muslin on a cutting board and place the grated zucchinis in the center. We'll gather the corners, making sure nothing gets out, and squeeze the cloth over the bowl. It's incredible! Look at this! We'll keep doing it until there's barely anything coming out. That's the secret to making amazing zucchini pancakes. When we're done, we'll set it aside for now. In a small mixing bowl, we'll combine flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We'll whisk until these two are well blended and set aside as well. Now, in a bigger bowl, we'll add our zucchinis, 2 large pressed garlic cloves, some finely chopped red onions, followed by roasted red peppers, and a little bit of lemon zest. Oh, I almost forgot. Some finely chopped dill. It gives an amazing taste to these guys. We'll quickly mix our ingredients together. I squeeze the living daylights out of the zucchinis and they just turn into a ball, but they'll separate. Look at the color. It's so appealing. To this, we'll add our 2 large beaten eggs, some sharp cheddar cheese, and then season with freshly ground black pepper. I always say black pepper, but it's not. I use mixed peppercorns. We'll stir everything, and by the way, do you hate when someone mentions on a video how lovely it smells? Well, sorry, but it smells amazing. All right, so we'll now add half of the flour mixture, blend it in before adding the remaining half of the dry ingredients. If you still find the mixture a little too wet, add a tablespoon or 2 of flour. One thing is for sure, I'm adding more black pepper. Oh my, it's mixed peppercorns, not black pepper. Anyway, we're done with the mixture, so let's move on to the stove. In a shallow skillet over medium heat, we'll add olive oil, just enough to coat the bottom. When it starts shimmering, the temperature will be around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll add the zucchini mixture using a portion scoop, so the pancakes are all the same size. Mine is about 2 inches in diameter. We'll flatten the top slightly and cook them for 2.5 to 3 minutes per side or until brown. They're about 3 inches wide, give or take. Now, here's a little tip. When we gently push them with a spatula and they move, then they're almost ready to flip. If they resist, leave them alone. When ready to flip them, go fast. Do it quickly. Don't take your time because they're a little fragile. If you don't flip them fast, they might split in half. So be confident. Otherwise, they will feel your fear. When they're done, we'll transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil and transfer them to a 175-degree preheated oven to keep them warm while we finish the others. And my friends, these are our zucchini pancakes. Healthy and delicious, these little guys are packed with flavor. With gorgeous ingredients, you can serve them either for brunch, a light lunch, or as an appetizer. I hope you give them a try soon. And be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!